There is a common belief about wealth that it comes from something big, a breakthrough, a sudden opportunity, a moment where everything changes at once, like one decision, can completely transform your financial life. And because of that, many people are always waiting for the right time, the right income, the right chance to finally start. Because in their mind, real progress should feel noticeable, immediate, clear. But if you look closely at people who actually build wealth, their story doesn't look like that. There's no single moment you can point to, no dramatic turning point, no instant transformation. Instead, it looks quiet, almost unremarkable, like nothing special is happening, just small decisions, repeated daily, without attention, without recognition. And that's what makes it difficult. Because when something doesn't feel significant, it feels to ignore, it feels to underestimate, easy to stop. You might even feel like you're not making progress at all, like nothing is changing, like your effort isn't leading anywhere. And over time, that feeling can be discouraging because you start to question, is this even working? But the truth is, wealth rarely announces itself in the beginning. It builds quietly, in the background, through habits that don't look important in the moment. And in this video, we're going to talk about those habits. Not the obvious ones, not the extreme ones, but the daily behaviors that slowly, almost invisible, build financially stability over time. Why it feels slow? One of the hardest parts about building wealth is that it doesn't feel like progress in the beginning. You save a little, you adjust your spending, you try to be more intentional, but nothing seems to change. The numbers move, but not in a way that feels meaningful. And that's where many people stop. Not because it's not working, but because it doesn't feel like it is. The nature of daily habits. Daily habits don't feel important. They're small, routine, easy to ignore. They don't create instant results. But over time, they shape direction. Not through intensity, but through consistency. Habit number one, knowing where money actually goes. Most people have a general idea of their finances, but not a clear one. They know the big expenses, but not the full picture. And without a clear picture, it's difficult to make intentional decisions. So the first habit is simple, not the tracking perfectly, but being aware consistently, because clarity changes behavior. Habit number two, creating space before spending. Wealth building habits are not about restriction, they're about pause, a small moment between impulse and decision, not to stop spending completely, but to make sure it's intentional. Because that small pause prevents automatic choices. Habit number three, keeping a gap. Wealth doesn't come from income alone, it comes from what remains. That difference between what comes in and what goes out is where everything starts, and protecting that gap is one of the most important habits. Habit number four, repeating boring decisions. Building wealth is not exciting, it's repetitive. Doing the same responsible things again and again. Saving regularly. Avoiding unnecessary adjustments. Staying consistent. And that's why it's difficult, because it's not dramatic, but it works. Habit number five, letting time do its work. Many people try to accelerate results. They want faster growth, faster progress, but wealth often builds through time, not speed, allowing time to compound decisions, allowing consistency to accumulate, and trusting the process. Habit number six, avoiding constant lifestyle adjustments. As life improves, there's a natural tendency to upgrade. Better options, better experiences, but wealth building habits require balance, not avoiding improvement, but slowing it down so growth has space to happen. Habit number seven, thinking terms of direction, not moments. Most people focus on single decisions, one purchase, one choice, but wealth is shaped by direction, where decisions are leading over time, and daily habits determine that direction. Habit number eight, making money decisions boring. One of the biggest shifts is this: money decisions become less emotional, less reactive, more routine, because consistency requires stability, not constant change. This is the emotional reality. What people don't talk about is how quiet this process is. No recognition, no visible success early on, just consistency and patience. And that's where most people struggle. Not with ability, but with waiting. And the turning point, something changes over time. Not suddenly, but gradually. The results begin to reflect the habits, and the effort that once felt invisible becomes visible. Because wealth is not built in one moment, it's built in many small ones, repeated consistently, without needing attention. Because in the end, building wealth is not about doing something extraordinary, it's about doing ordinary things consistently. The small habits, the quiet decisions, the patterns that don't seem important today but shape everything over time. If you enjoy conversations about money, financial psychology, and the habits that create real financial change, welcome to the Asian Broke Diary. Because sometimes the biggest progress comes from the things no one notices.